friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new paneer for review. And the paneer that we are going to review today is on the brand Gowardhan. So guys, this is the Gowardhan Paneer that we have here, and this is the product that we are going to review today. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. It comes in a vacuum packed, vacuum sealed packaging right here from Gowardhan. Right on top is a Gowardhan branding. We can see a pure vegetarian symbol here, and then the name of the product, which is a paneer classic block written right here, which is source of protein and calcium, soft and nutritious. Here's the illustration of the paneer shown by Gowardhan right here. What we have here are the nutritional facts. Serving size 25 grams. This is a 200 gram pack that we have. The net weight is 200 grams. Serving size of paneer is 25 grams. Servings per pack come as 8, that is 25 into 8 is 200 grams. Every serving of 25 grams provides for 79 kcal of energy, of which 6.3 grams of fat, cholesterol is 25 milligrams, sodium 125 milligrams, total carbs are 0.5 grams, protein is 4.5 grams in 25 grams, there's 4.5 grams of protein, so that's how protein rich it is. The vitamin A is 60 mcg. Allergen warning is it contains milk and milk solids, so if you have lactose intolerance, steer away from paneer, right? Ingredients here are cow's milk and vinegar is used to make this paneer. Remove the outer packaging before consumption. Keep refrigerated below 4 degrees Celsius under hygienic condition, and consume within 2 days of opening the pack. Do not keep it for long. If you plan to keep it for long, then I'll tell you all at the end of the video how you can store the paneer for a longer period after you open the pack, right? Net weight, like I told you all, is 200 grams, and the MRP of this paneer is rupees 18.9 for 200 grams. So that's comparatively higher than the Amul paneer. So this is at 89 rupees. So let's go ahead and open this paneer and check it out. So let's get a pair of scissors right here, and here we go. You just need to cut it open from here. Let's check the paneer out. Right here we have cut it open, and inside is the paneer. See, it's nice and whitish, creamish color paneer. It's made from cow's milk, which is generally yellowish in color. And the fat on the cow's milk is generally yellow in color. That's why the paneer here is a bit yellowish, creamish yellow in color, because it's made from cow's milk. Right? So right here we have the paneer. I'm just going to quickly remove the paneer block into a plate. I'm going to show you all the paneer block. So here it is. This is the Gowardhan paneer block. Nice, huge block here. Very well formed paneer. And this we can cut into small pieces the way we want it. You can dice it and everything, and it really tastes well. So I've tried the Amul paneer, I've tried the Gowardhan paneer, and I've tried the local paneer available, and I found Gowardhan paneer to be the best. Taste wise, the softness is much better, and that is the best part of this paneer. And if you take the aroma, it has a vinegarish aroma because it's made from vinegar, but once cooked it doesn't have a vinegar aroma anymore. So yeah, that's it. So let me just quickly go prepare this paneer, and then we are going to do a taste test. So I'm going to make this paneer into a pulao. I'm going to add it into pulao, and then we are going to do a quick taste test of the paneer from the pulao. So stay tuned for that. So guys, I have cooked the paneer in the pulao, and right now I'm going to do a taste test of the Gowardhan paneer. So here is a piece of paneer from the pulao itself right here, and you can see how nice and soft it is. Really squishy soft, and which easily breaks here. You can see, so nicely cooked. Paneer is very well cooked, and it cooks even better in curries. When you make malai paneer and stuff like paneer, butter paneer and stuff, it really like melts in the mouth kind of paneer it becomes when you cook it into curry. Now here is going to be the taste test of the Gowardhan paneer. So right now we are going to do a taste test of it. Amazing taste. Really nice and yum. soft paneer, not chewy. That's how I like the paneer to be. Very nice and soft. It adds to the flavor of the pulao when you have it. So really nice. One of the best paneer I had is the Gowardhan Paneer. Overall in taste it's amazing. Yes, it is a bit higher in the price range, but definitely worth the every penny of it. So if you guys are looking to buy the Gowardhan Paneer, guys, it's available online on Amazon. You all can check the link in the description below. I'll have the link to Amazon where the paneer is available. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do share it with your friends as well, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So guys, now coming to the tip on how to store a paneer which you have already opened for multiple days, more than 2 days, right? So generally the paneer will remain fresh for 2 days if you'll keep it in the pack. But if you want to store it for a longer period, here's a quick tip from me for y'all. All you need to do is take a container which has a lid, an airtight container, fill it up with water, and then store the paneer in that water. Just immerse the paneer, the leftover paneer in the water, and keep it in the fridge. Just make sure every day you change the water in the container, and your paneer will remain fresh for a longer period. So that was a quick tip on how to store the paneer. So the next time you all have extra paneer with y'all can always store it in the fridge using a airtight container and adding some water to that. That will keep the paneer nice and fresh and soft. It will not go hard, right? So because if you store it just in the packet, it will tend to go hard on the layer of it. So that's a simple trick to store paneer for a longer period.